Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the active keyboard layout. That controls where the ret symbol lives. Once done, open System Settings, go to Keyboard, then Input Sources, and add the layout you use. Make sure Keyboard Viewer is enabled so you can see key mappings on screen. It shows exact modifier combos. Now press +space to cycle input sources and watch the keyboard viewer change. This gives immediate visual feedback, so you'll know which physical key produces at before you type it. You now locate the ret symbol using the keyboard viewer and try the visible modifier keys. Press Shift and watch the viewer. On many US layouts, Shift +2 produces at. On other layouts, Option or Option + Shift may be required. If you still can't find it, open Character Viewer via Control ++ space and search for @ to click and insert. Make sure to test in a text field so you see the result. This confirms which combo your Mac expects in practice. You finish by making typing effortless. Create a text replacement in keyboard settings so a short string expands to @ or lock the preferred input source to prevent accidental switches. Once done, practice typing @ in a few apps to confirm consistency. If the wrong character appears, make sure the active layout matches what the keyboard viewer showed, remove and re-add the layout, then log out or restart, and if needed, reboot. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.